Welcome to Yami's Kitchen. Mayang adlaw sa tanan, magandang araw sa lahat. Today, I'll be showing you on how to make a salmorejo de Cordoba or tomato cold soup. In Spain, mao ni pangitaon sa mga tao during summertime kaya makapabugnaw sa lawas. This dish was originally in south of Spain from Andalucia, more specifically in the city of Cordoba, and becomes very well known as a Spanish dish. This is already complete meal because it has the bread, it has the meat, and vegetable. If you heard about gazpacho, it's a well-known Spanish cold soup. Parihara ni siya, similar na sila. Diferensya is this one has bread and it's a little bit creamy, and gazpacho light kasi na soup. When I was in Spain, I made a lot of this, good for my week snacks, but it only lasts for 3 days because I love it so much. Plus, my board mates love it too. Now, make it yourself para makatry pod mo and very healthy o mura po magkakaadtog Espanya. Okay, preparamos. I have here 1 kilo of tomatoes, roughly chopped, media ajo, and pan or stale bread from yesterday in a large mixing bowl. Then add 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar. If not available, you can use suka made from tuba. And half a cup of olive oil. Sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. By using a handheld osterizer or blender or food processor, you can osterize everything until it becomes creamy liquid. By using a colador or strainer, strain the juice and give it a stir until everything's done. That's it, and it's perfect to serve with a diced boiled egg and a ham. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, share, and press the notification button so that you will get an update of new videos. Bye, ciao!